There's nothing but a slow glowing dream that your fear seems to hide deep inside your mind. All alone I have cried silent tears full of pride in a world made of steel, made of stone. Well, I hear the music, close my eyes, feel the rhythm, wrap around, take a hold of my heart. What I feel it, beats believe.
Which is sisters, right? Miss Allen. Kapatid, Ellen. Don't be shy, guys. We are all friends in here. We are all
And she molded us for what we are today. She taught us values in life and also simple house chores. She was there for us. And in the physical absence of our parents, she was there for us. And we are very grateful for her. Right now. And our Tabs is she has the kindest heart and the purest soul. She's not the kind of person who's too quick to judge. And we are more than blessed and lucky to have her.
Tagalog. Pero yung kapatid ko, babae ko, yan lang talaga. Tsaka hindi nga ako nagkandidato kasi hindi mahilig magsalita in front of the people. Pero, yan, mahal ko yung kapatid ko.
Over here, please, wala tayong hiyaan. We all came here and time is very important for us, especially here in America. So everyone in here is very special to our golden celebrant. So why don't we go table per table so everybody could give and share their message. And let's start with table number 1. Kuya Mark? Just a message first.
Okay. Do you want a short message or a long message? Okay. I've known J. Marie and Leah maybe something like 4 years ago or 3 years ago before the Sandy Lake. They know me already. I don't know them personally. Leah told me that my name is very popular. I don't know how true is that according to her. But because it's Jay's birthday, I'll say, Jay, thank you so much for the invitation. Oops. And I wish another 50 years of birthday celebration. And we will be here every year with my cane and with my wheelchair. For the next 50 years.
Okay na, no? Nag-message mo.
Thank you so much, Kuya Julius. Now, Miss Ineta.
Yeah, microphone. Amigo.
Thank you, Ms. Adele. Thank you so much. Now, Mr. Guillermo, Senor.
Okay.
Alright, Babs, happy birthday and surprise. I pray to God that He will continue providing you with lots of love and happiness. Thank you for everything, for the support and everything that comes with it. You know what I mean. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Hope to see you soon. Go.
Happy birthday, Bong! Wishing you a happy birthday on your natal day. Hope you will be in good health always. And together with your loving one, Leah, hope all you're in the best. As good health and everything in your work is okay, and so many more. So God bless you always, and more birthdays to come.
Hi, Bong. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Welcome to the club of 50s. Wishing you a good health and more birthdays to come in your life. Thank you for inviting me. Once again, happy birthday, Bong.
Hi, Bong. Happy birthday. In behalf of Lucky 9, we wish you more good health and prosper in life. And thank you for everything. I've known you for how many years now? Since 1995. Kabarkada pa kanilang Gunner. Tapos, usahay maulaw pa ko kay mga alta susidad inyong grupo. Saling pusa lang ko. Tapos, never thought nga after 5 years, kita na po ng grupo. Ngayon, thank you so much for everything. And in terms of my down time, if you remember, 1996 minata to, my younger sister, kamu ni kuan ni Teng Marbella ang ni damay or ni kuan sa amo ang kuan. Wala ko ga-expect na of all the people and classmates na to before, kamu ang tambong og kuan and dugong sa akong mga. And thank you for everything. Happy birthday in behalf of kuan sa batch na lang po. Lipay ko nga nag-kuan tatalan graduate ra po. Tara, thank you, bye bye.
Hi Tab! Surprise! Happy birthday! I just want to let you know na blessed kay ko og lucky kay ko to have you beside me growing up. And isa sad nga dako kaayo nga impact unsa akong naabot karon sa akong kinabuhi because I have you beside me growing up. I just want to wish you well. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. May God bless you with more blessings pa kay. You deserve it. You really do deserve it, Tabs. And happy birthday. I love you so much. I hope to see you soon. And P.S. Tita Leia, thank you for this event and to let Tita Bibong feel that she is loved by all. So I hope to see you both soon. I love you both.
Happy birthday, Tita Bibong. Another adventure-filled year awaits you. Hoping that you will always be healthy and more birthdays to come. Happy 50th!
Hi, Bong! Happy birthday at the age of 50. More blessings to come and good health. Hope that you have many more birthdays to come in your life.
Hello, Tabebs. Happy birthday. Wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy together with your loved ones, Iha, sa US. Stay humble and stay generous to the people you care and to your family especially. Thank you, Tita Bebs. Happy birthday again. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Bebs. Happy 50th.
Sabi ko, ay, great lang ko mo, happy birthday sa imong adlaw nga natawhan. Dayon, padayon ra sa pagka maayong tao and hope you enjoy your day.
Sabi Bong, happy birthday, wishing for great health and more years to come.
Hi, Tabebs. Happy birthday. God bless you with more healthy years to come. And see you very soon. And take care always. We miss you.
Hello! Bong, kumusta naman ka din ha? Happy birthday! Ako dahil si Karen. Ako ang kinamuhuran sa nilang ni Bibong. Ako po sa gagmay pa me, ako may istorya ni Bibong. Protective kay na siya nga sister. Loving, caring. Dayon ako, kay kinamuhuran man ko, so spoiled po ko gamay niya. Kabahin sa akong magpapa, she provide, God knows how she provide my mom and dad. So, that's why she is so blessed. And thank you so much for that, Bong. And also, I want to thank you to Leia for giving a wonderful celebration for Bibong. God gave a partner to Bibong who is so understanding. And also, Bong, happy birthday. God will bless you every step you take. Thank you to always continue to be humble and cheers for the golden age. So vintage nagpunta day ani. Bye, happy birthday.
Hello, Tita Bebs. It's Didi. Wishing you a happy birthday. God bless you always, and we love you. Stay safe.
Hi, Ate Bong. Happy birthday. We always wish you well, despite the fact that we have not communicated often. But we do always love you, and we do always miss you. I hope you are in good health, and we wish you well. We wish you nothing but the best in your life. Once again, happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays in your life, and may God give you always strength, good health, and more blessings abundantly to you. I really miss you, and I love you so much. God bless you.
Smile.
Mr. Deo, what's your message for our celebrant?
Just want to wish another happy birthday to you, Jay Marie. Thank you for the wonderful invitation. And I'll turn it over to Warren.
Thank you, Deo.
Thank you, Mr. Deo.
Jay Marie, thank you for inviting us. Jay Marie and Leah, I met them last year. They're my teammates in the bowling, the rocking bowl. And we were the first place.
Thank you so much, Ms. Lorna. Now may I call on Ms. Ford to give your message, please? Ford, okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
you and Leia accepted me as like a big brother, and you are like my sister from my heart. I wish you happy birthday and many more. And we're gonna beat you in the championship.
Table number 5. Are we ready? Okay. In 3, 2. Oh, we're still celebrating. These are celebrant. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Thank you for inviting all years to celebrate.
Okay, everyone, please come on stage. Okay, here we go, everyone. So we're gonna get to know the celebrant as well. Now, the second question, or should I say, the official question is, what is the celebrant's grandfather's legacy in Dipolog City? No, okay, letter A. He is the 3rd mayor of the city. Letter B. He is the 1st mayor of the city. In 3, 2, 1, go! The favorite color of the birthday celebrant. The favorite color of a birthday celebrant. Letter A, white. Letter B, yellow. 3, 2, 1, let's go! What is the favorite food of our celebrant? Again, what is the favorite food of our celebrant? Letter A, tortang talong. Letter B, inuunan. Again, letter A, tortang talong. Letter B, inuunan. In 3, 2, 1, let's go! What year did our birthday celebrant won the Women's Bowling Championship in Dipolog City? So we all know that our celebrant is really an MVP when it comes to bowling, because our celebrant won a Women's Bowling Championship. But the question is, what year? Letter A. Is it 1998? Or letter B, 1997. A, 1997. Basketball and football. Letter B, darts and table tennis. It is letter B, darts and table tennis. Congratulations to our winners.
The prize is?
Yeah, it is a big surprise. In 3, 2, 1, drop the money. So, concentrate. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, drop the money. Sana all. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, drop the money. 2, 1, drop the money. Our celebrant blow the candle, and before they bring the candle, may I please ask the birthday celebrant to please give a speech saying thanks to everyone.
3, 2, 1, Leah.
I need to know that the reason why you're here is because each and every one of you are intertwined in our lives, especially in J. Marie's life.
Yes.
So we carefully each chose of you because we want you to know that we're so grateful. You have made an impact in our lives, especially in J. Marie's life, in a very special way. Okay?
Yeah,
So, 50 years ago, she was born out of 6 siblings. She's number 5. And it's true, they said she's really an angel. So, I've never known anybody who could be so selfless, very selfless, that she would never think of herself, but she would always think of her family, her friends, and of course me. So it's just such a joy to have her. So she asked me, so those of you in the back, she didn't want to celebrate her birthday. She said, why? And I said to her, why not?
Yeah.
So there's so many reasons why I think she should be celebrated today. She's very selfless, very loving, very caring, super caring. And with my bowling friends, she feels that to the point where bowling is not just a game. To her, bowling is a ministry. Because she wants to touch each and everybody's life through bowling. She wants to be a good example, and that's what we always talk about. It's not just a sport for her, but she wants to be there for everyone.
Nice.
Yes, and yeah. So I could keep on talking all night. I just want to say special thank yous. When I called her niece Gigi, she really did her best to be here. I know you were supposed to go to another party, but I said this is her 50th birthday. I hope you can be here. Thank you for being so kind. We want to thank the brother, Joel.
Thank you, Joel.
I want to thank you for coming. I know you should say your thank yous too, but I want to say thank yous. Kuya Ferdy, he, with no doubt, yes, I will do it. And yes, for free, for the love of J. Marie. So we're all here because we love J. Marie. With that, let's raise our glasses and celebrate her 50th and more birthdays to come.
Okay, everybody, your attention please as we sing happy birthday to our golden celebrant.
Okay.
In a count of 3, let's sing happy birthday. In 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, one last time, I need your participation. Let's say, we love you, J. Marie, together. Okay? Cameraman, ready ka na ba? Yeah? Yes, there we go. In 3, 2, 1. We love you! And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Our program has concluded. The night is still young. The dance floor is now open. Enjoy.
Punta kay John. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Ganito tayo.
Yes, my paint was covered.